Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Gmail on your Mac using a simple and effective method. Since there's no official Gmail app for macOS, we'll create a standalone version that works just like one. Let's get started. First, open Safari. If you don't see it in your dock, you can launch it quickly by pressing Command plus Space to open Spotlight Search. Then type Safari and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to www.gmail.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Now, at the top of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, then choose Add to Dock. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to name the shortcut. I'll just leave it as Gmail, but you can customize it however you like. Now click Add. You'll notice the Gmail icon appears in your dock. And here's the best part. When you click that icon, Gmail opens in a separate app-like window, completely independent of Safari. Even if you quit Safari entirely, Gmail will stay open and running like a real Mac app. If your version of macOS doesn't have the Add to Dock option in Safari, don't worry. There's an alternative method using a browser shortcut and a custom icon. I've added a link in the description that walks you through that as well. And that's it. You now have Gmail set up on your Mac, just like a native app. No extra software needed. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.